The world of Subnautica is filled with all sorts of interesting creatures, but to you, the player, their role is mostly to be an obstacle, or strictly utilitarian. But what if you could turn them into a friend? Just follows us wherever we go. You're too huge, sir. Look at this. I don't know how this works at all. Oh, here he comes. Level 100 sea dragon. Look at his health. What kind of creatures make the best companions? Could you train a peeper to take down a Reaper Leviathan? And what happens when you try to make some of the biggest monsters in this game your friend? Well, my name is Brad, and I'm a software engineer who likes to write code to modify games and learn how they work, and then use that knowledge to make them do something new and awesome. And today, I'm going to add creature companions to Subnautica. So, a while back, I wanted to learn more about how creatures work in Subnautica, specifically these guys called crab snakes. Can we spawn one? Can we make it do different things? Can we make it swim the way we want it to swim? So, let's start with the basics. Can we press a button and make a crab snake appear? Yeah! Oh, he's alive! Okay, it's huge. Oh, we're gonna have to scale him up at some point. I'm so sorry. You know it's true though. We're gonna have to make the crab snake huge. Okay, so we can spawn a crab snake. Woo! We can spawn all the crab snakes, and they are alive and functional and good to go. Oh, I hate it. It's very creepy. So to learn a little more about our new friend, I started looking through all the different components that were attached to him, and I found a function called Choose Best Action that chooses what the crab snake will do next from this list of options. This is exactly what we needed. Okay, I feel like I'm learning. I think this is gonna work. Swim 2. Swim 2. Can I make... Okay, I hate this idea. Can we make the crab snake constantly swim towards the player? It sounds creepy, but it's a good test. All right. Oh, look. Where is he going? Hello? There he is. Where are you going? Just slowly falling. I think we're close though. If I was captain of the Enterprise right now, I'd be saying, theorize. I'm just copy pasting code from the internet and running it. That's probably safe, right? Whoa, what are you doing? Are you swimming? Are you swimming towards me? Oh, he is! He's swimming right for me! I think we figured it out. We're being hunted. There was something about having this guy follow us around that made him almost endearing. Just follows us wherever we go, you know? I've been raising him since birth, hatched him myself. He's always been, you know, just kind of a follower, little buddy. We feed him mostly on nutritious peepers. I would invite you to pet him, but he doesn't quite like that. But if you give him a few treats, he might let you go for a ride. All right, I'm gonna go hide. You gotta find me. Here he comes, right through the wall. All right, that is good to know. So he will just go through anything. There he is, there he is. Ah! He won't dock properly. So in trying to learn how creatures work, we'd learned how to spawn one in and have it follow us around. And that's when I realized what the real mission was. You can have a crab snake companion. Hold on. What if it was a crab snake companion and you could like tell it to attack stuff for you and it would follow you around? What the heck? What if we did that? Now that sounds like a mod idea. All right, let's get to work. First up, let's make the crab snake attack on command. Whoa, what are you eating? Oh, he's eating everything he comes into contact with. Whoa, don't do that. Okay, can we make the crab snake attack a peeper when we tell it to or something? So we're overriding this and saying, attack what I told you to, you fool. There he is. Are you gonna bite me? Oh, gosh. Okay. Okay. Yep. Hate that. That works, I think. Ah! Okay. Thank you. That's all the testing we need for now. That's a bad Brian. Bad. Oh yeah, we named the crab snake Brian. Where did he go? What are you doing? Well, are you stuck? Whoa! I think we need to do like the Skyrim version of this. You know, where you can direct your companion to attack something, where you say, hey, you attack something, and then it's like, what do you want me to attack? And then you point to the thing you want it to attack. There you go. There's your peeper. Go get him. Yes! He's attacking that peeper. And now the peeper's dead, and he's back to just following us. I think it works. If I'm holding a fish, could we say like feed? Oh, see there, we fed him. We just hand fed our crab snake. There you go. So he'll follow us around and we can feed him peepers. That's progress. Awesome. Now we just need to make a way to control the crab snake with the game's user interface. That should be pretty simple, right? I don't know how this works at all. Whoa, what? Hello. Whoops. Now I have to play like this. New speedrun category unlocked. I can make it the DVD screensaver. Will it ever hit the corner? I was having so much trouble getting this UI stuff to work. I'm losing my mind. I had something working previously that suddenly stopped working. So I actually started reviewing one of my previous streams during the stream. Let's see. Okay, yes, this was me going crazy trying to figure it out, right? Boom, see, I was able to do it. That's proof. So excited. See, I was so hopeful back then. My own code rebelling against me. Oh, ho, ho. That is a dang hard, that is, what? Why? Why does it work there? I told you it worked. I told you I could do it. Why is it working there? Just absolutely losing my mind. So after banging my head against the code for a while, I was able to print out some stats for a companion and added a health bar for the companion's current attack target. Now I can see the health. This poor guy, he doesn't stand a chance. I feel like I'm watching Jaws from below. Oh, he's dead. That's really sad to watch the gasopod die. Having Brian as a friend has been so great, I think we should try to make even more friends. I want to be able to make anything in the game your companion. That's the end goal. So one thing you can do now is choose another creature to be your new companion. Take this spadefish, for example. Now this spadefish is our companion. See, Brian is free to wander off and live his life freely. But this spadefish is now gonna follow us around. So now we have a spadefish companion. Can we feed him a peeper? Here, can I have a peeper? I've never had a peeper companion. Let's see if we can do that. There he is. Yeah, and see, when they get close enough to you, they start to swim randomly so that they don't just run into your face. And I can pick up my companion. So if I drop him, is he still my companion? He is! You can pick up your companion and drop him and he's still your companion. I can't believe that works. Let's make sure this attacking behavior works with other creatures as well. Let's start small. Let's try a biter. There, now a biter is my friend, except he might attack me. Unknown. Let's see if we can have him attack. Whoa! I feel like I'm watching a nature documentary. Whoa! He got him. See, and now he's back to swimming around randomly. All right, let's try a stalker. Come here, and stalker. So now he'll follow us around. Go get him, stalker. There he goes. Perfect. What else? What's next? Ooh, how about one of these? Sand shark. There he goes. The race is on. Ah, got him. Awesome. Okay, what else? Let's try a warper. So this one's gonna be tricky. There he is. We have a warper. Let's see if he'll attack a peeper. Certainly will. Oh, then he's gone. So that's a problem. The warpers disappear, but we can work on that. There's a crab squid. Yay. Now we have a crab squid buddy. I hate him. Ugh, these are the creepiest things in the game to me. I hate them. Let's give him a peeper. Oh, works perfectly. Okay. All right, now we've got a shocker. Can we make the shocker fight the crab squid? Whoa, he shocked him. Oh, crab squid hated that. Boom, yeah, he's doing it. No, leave me alone. Amazing, amazing. This works so well. Should we try a reaper? Okay, there's a reaper. Well, we're gonna make him our friend, I guess. Oh, he's got 5,000 health. Ah, no, no. Okay, we're gonna give him a peeper to eat. There you go. Chomp. There he goes. He got it. Oh, he's catching up. Oh, that's so menacing. Ghost Leviathan Juvenile? Sure. Oh, now he's our buddy. Would you like a small peeper for a snack? Here you go. That's just for you. Okay, well, with all these new companions, we've got to find a way to tell them what to do and check up on them in-game, which means we need to improve the user interface again. How do you command it what to do? It could work like a fabricator where those little bubbles pop up. So like this. Do I want this to happen where it pops up with little things that say like, stay, follow, attack? Maybe it could be like a PDA menu. That would be cool. Let's see. What does the PDA menu look like? Oh, like you command it from here? Like I'd add a tab or something? Yeah, you could control it from anywhere. Maybe you're like, are you planting? Are you planting a microchip in your companion's brain that you can control with That's a little dark. I don't know if I'll explain the lore that way. So I worked on this a bit in between streams, and here's what I came up with. So one thing I tried was something like this, but that didn't feel very good. It just felt like this invisible menu out of nowhere. So then I decided to try doing it with the PDA, and here's what I've got. So we've got our normal PDA tabs: inventory, blueprints, beacon manager, photo manager, voice log, data bank. And if you'll notice, there's one more now. Companion. So if I click over to companion, we've got our commands and our companion info. We can capture a new companion, we can command him to follow, we can command him to attack, and we can release him. Here's a picture of your companion, and here's his health. The level stuff is not real yet. I haven't implemented that, but it shows that it's possible to add more of these info bars, and it's very easy now. It looks pretty much how I would want it to. There's some aliasing artifacts on these. I'm using in-game assets so that everything matches everything else. These are these buttons, just modified some. These are scanner progress bars that I've, like the outline part is, and then these numbers are. Like I've just modified and Frankensteined everything together. These are the encyclopedia pictures, like these is this. And then this yellow is this yellow, and this green is this green. So everything matches everything else. I want it to look like it's a part of the game. So here's Brian, right? So we can release him, and now we only have the capture button because we have no current companion. He is not following us anymore. We can also use the PDA to command Brian to attack. Let's attack this biter over here. Say attack, biter. There he goes. He's on the attack. Get him. Boom. Got him. So let's see if we can capture a Reaper Leviathan and have it show up correctly. Oh, there he is. Let's capture. There he is. Wow, 5,000 health. Now that we could have all types of companions, I wanted to make it so that they would gain experience points every time they defeated an enemy. And if they got enough experience points, they would level up. We're gonna command you to attack a spadefish. All right, let's watch. Hey, level 1.369306. Okay, we need to round that down. Boom, yes. Oh, we're leveling up. How exciting. Level 2. So then, we need to have stats. If you're leveling up, you have to get stronger. That means they have to do more damage as they level up. So I wrote a little code to make it so that when your companion leveled up, they would get a little bigger and their attacks would do more damage. I want to see if we can level Brian up and go attack a Reaper Leviathan. Whoa! He shrunk! Look at him! He's so little! Let's do some training, shall we? Go get him, Brian. Takes a lot of hits. Oh, you're so close. Get him. All right, what if I help? What if I help? Yes! Okay. Okay, I think I can cheese it by helping Brian. There you go. Good job, Brian. You did it. Come on, watch Brian. See, watch me. See, he's learning. You know, that makes sense to me. You can learn by watching. Watch me, Brian. Learn. Watch me and learn. Are you learning, Brian? Do you see? Learn from me, Brian. Yes, we're an excellent team, Brian. You're level 2, Brian. You're growing. We need to print out, we need stats. We need stats on this page. So now we've got what level you are, your health, and your attack stat, which will change as you level up. I made a button to give myself experience points so we can see. Whoop. See, now he's level 1, and his attack went from 5 to 9. See, now he's a little bit bigger. So if we keep leveling him up, whoop, now he's level 2, he's a little bigger. Level 3, level 4, level 5. Now he's like a full-size crab snake. Let's get to level 20. How about that? Boop. There we go. His attack is now 85. Whoa, he's huge. I think your health should also scale with your size. I think everything should scale together. Okay, let's figure out how we're supposed to do this. Data.max health. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, I think we need to set your current health to at most be your max health. This is nonsense. Yes. There we go. Huge. Yes. Level 100 crab snake. Oh, who's also infected. That's gross. Look how huge he is. That's too big. It's so big. Well, we can try to have him go destroy a Reaper now. We completely dwarf the Reaper. This is not even going to be a fair match. Look at the size difference. That is way too big. How big can we make Brian? All right, so he's level 300 now. He does over 1,200 damage per bite. Brian, this is out of hand. Look at this. I can't even. Whoa. He's knocking me all around. I'm getting knocked into the sky by Brian. Yeah, we really need to cap the size on this guy. Look at. All right, well, now we got to make him bigger. Hold on. There we go. He's level 500. You're too huge, sir. Look at this. He's knocking me around and I'm so far away. Wow, he can barely even stay rendered. Well, that works. Kind of. Let's see how a smaller creature's size changes as they level up. So now we have a spadefish. He's tiny. And then we'll size him up a little bit. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Okay. Hello. Let's get him to level 10. Hello. Oh, your eye. Oh, your eye. Are you okay? Does it hurt? I can pick up the spadefish. Boop. And drop. And just as huge. As we were messing with the spadefish, my curiosity got the better of me. All right, we have to test. What happens if you cook your companion? I'm so sorry. This one we did not name, so hopefully we will get over it in time. Oh. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, okay. We don't have a companion anymore. Decent size, but salty. I'd be salty too if my companion had just cooked me and was going to eat me. All right, well, I ate him. I ate the companion. Sorry. The game punished me for this almost immediately. Hold on, here we go. We're gonna capture a biter. No, it is failing to capture the biter. I broke it. Did I break it by eating my companion? Oh yeah, I broke it. Interesting. If you cook and eat your companion, it causes a bug. Good to know. All right, well, let's just shake off that awfulness by doing something fun. All right, let's see if we can go capture ourselves a Reaper. So we're gonna go capture Reaper Leviathan. So let's see if we can gain him some experience points. Right now he has 15 experience points. Let's command him to attack this guy. Sand Shark, go get the Sand Shark. Get him, Reaper. Yes, see, he took another bite out of him. I'm gonna help him out. There we go. Let's see, how'd he do? Oh, he leveled up. He's level 4 now. See, so he's a little bit bigger now. Let's go see if we can find a ghost Leviathan for him to attack. Where's our buddy? There's one. Yep, okay, here. Attack. Come at me. Ha! Come on, Reaper. Oh, there's 2. There's 2 now. Oh, geez, there's 3 of them. Oh, we're outnumbered. I have a button that'll let us level up our Reaper. We could do that. Yes. He's too big. Oh, here he comes. Yes. Oh, he did it. What an absolute monster. Goodness gracious, this is ridiculous. After having these creatures follow us around and helping them grow, Chat and I were getting pretty attached to them. So I made it so that you could give them a name. Can we rename? Look at that. Look at that. Brian. Hey, it's officially Brian the Crab Snake. He's got a name. Awesome. Let's make your companion's name show up in the PDA. Okay, and then so it needs to happen there, and then it needs to happen in here. Here, Brad, here, right here. See, it works. The system works. Brian. Yeah! I wasn't sure what size to make the name, so I just made it grow over time to see what size looked best. No. Oh, there it is. It's growing. Brian, Brian, Brian. It just had to grow into it. There, that's a good size. Okay, it's a little big, but it's still good. That's great. Just leave it right there. What are you doing? Stop it. That's too big. Brian, you are going to take up the whole GUI if you keep it up. Brian, stop making your name bigger. Brian, this is not good behavior. Look, I think it's pushing these down too. It's squishing the picture. How am I doing? Brian. It's taking over the whole UI. It's ridiculous. It's escaping the PDA. Brian. We did keep having the issue of losing track of our companion. Is this you? Where did he go? I can't see where he is. Oh, is that you? No? Yes? So we needed a way to solve that. Chat had the amazing idea to have a little beacon that marks your companion. Beacon label equals B. I like that it's auto-completing random gibberish. Did you see that? Clearly, I wasn't attaching this thing to the companion correctly because it was causing them to fly all over the place. Wow! Okay, okay. Oh, is this our buddy? Hello? Whoa, I don't think so. I think we made a UFO. Yeah, he seems fine. Okay, he's swimming normal. Whoa! Nope, no, he's not. We also had the slight problem of companions randomly disappearing. Oh, what happened? Why'd he stop moving? Is he too far away? I think we got too far away and the game deleted the crab snake. All right, let's go far away. Then what happens? My game object was null. Okay, so I think it like despawns or something. Here, let's, oh, I swam too far away from Brian. Whoops. That's a big problem. If you're losing your companion, that kind of goes against the whole idea of a companion. I fixed the creature despawning by making it a global level entity. So now we can tell Brian, stay over there, go all the way to the other side of the map, and Brian will still exist. I made a couple more changes to the PDA tab, added a companion inventory so they could hold items for you, bored Zoe to sleep, and then there was just one last thing to get working before I'd be satisfied with this mod, making it so that even non-attacking creatures could attack. For example, peepers. Go get the biter. Go get the biter. Come on, fingers crossed. Yes! We have an attacking peeper! Oh, yes, that's so amazing! So, with our new Peeper Buddy by our side, it was time for the final test, taking down a Reaper Leviathan with a Peeper. We have a level 50 Peeper at our side. Look how big he is. He's huge. Here it is, the Reaper Leviathan. But luckily, we've got a level 50 Peeper. Oh, I'm very certain whatever I'm doing is worth it. Mr. Peeper? Attack! There he goes! He's going in for the kill! Get him, Peeper! Hiya! He's already taken a bite out of him. Oh, get him, yes! Oh, no! Come on, hold on! You've almost got him, Peeper. You can do this! Chomp, yes! One more hit! Get him! Yes! We did it! We took down a Reaper Leviathan with a Peeper! Since this footage was recorded, I've added even more improvements to the mod, like health bars that follow companions and enemies like beacons, an optional mode that only allows you to capture creatures hatched from an egg in an alien containment, and very importantly, companion saving. And look, I know this mod is probably still a buggy mess, but if you combine it with my Drive Anything mod, you can kind of ride your companion. And just as a treat for watching the video this long, here's what happens if you have a sea dragon as a companion. Yes, there he is. Hello, would you like to be my friend? I'd like to capture you. Boop. Oh, and then he's a little baby. There's our buddy. See? Can he attack? Let's see. Let's try to take him to the surface, shall we? I don't know if we can command him to attack, but we can try. All right, go get that gasopod. Go get him. What are you doing? Well, why are you? No, don't look at me. I think he's hard-coded to look at the player. Can you get him? Whoa! Yes, he can. Okay. Yes! Wow! He leveled up. What level is he now? He's level 4, and his attack is over 1,000. 18,000 health. He's level 4, and he can definitely already take down a Reaper Leviathan. Let's go do that. Go get him, go get him. Yes! Oh, this is a battle for the ages. Hi, Brian. Just hanging out, having a snack. Yes, one more hit. You're doing great. Yes, whoa! Instantly leveled up. What a good boy. Let's make him level 100 and see if we can get him to pose with the Aurora. Look at his health. Level 100 Sea Dragon. Yeah, he's pretty huge. He's pretty huge. Just having this guy following me around, no biggie. Let's go explore the safe shallows with that guy. There he is. Whoops, whoops. Uh-oh, he's stuck inside the Aurora. This has worked very, very well. I've been very happy with this. Uh-oh, too close, too close. Thank you so much for watching this video. I genuinely hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun to mess around with. Thank you so much to my patrons. Go check out the Patreon if you want behind the scenes updates, early testing access to mods, bonus videos, and other fun stuff like that. Come join us on Twitch if you want to chat and watch me make these mods live. If you want to try this mod out for yourself, there's a link in the description, and you can find the source code down there as well. If you liked the video, consider liking it. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more like this, and I hope to see you next time. Now we've got a spadefish companion that'll follow us around. Oh, there's Brian being jealous. Oh no! Brian, why?